I'm Shane, and I'm going to go through a brief demonstration of Yuja and how to access it and use it. Probably the quickest way for you to get to it is through Blackboard. Go to blackboard.und.edu, and that'll take you to the login page for Blackboard. Use your NDUS credentials to log in. And go to your Courses tab. Once you go to your Courses tab, select the course that you want to create the Yuja content for. In this case, I'm just going to select one of the other courses that I already have set up, Advanced Aircraft Operations in this case. And so basically, accessing Yuja through your Blackboard site, through your course, will allow you to have faculty function in Yuja, which gives you more storage and it gives you a few more advanced features in Yuja. So you definitely want to access Yuja through the course that you're going to be delivering the content. To get to Yuja, you're going to go on the left-hand sidebar and select Tools. And that's going to pop up with a window of all kinds of tools that are available through Blackboard. Blackboard has a ton of options and a ton of plugins that you can use. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to find UND Yuja. And when you click that, it's going to pop up with a new window inside Blackboard. And it takes a few seconds. You may have some problems with the site if you're using Firefox. Every once in a while, it blocks it. So you probably want to use Explorer or Google Chrome or Edge to access Yuja properly. And so now that I click that, basically I'm presented with the Yuja window inside my Blackboard site. And from here, I can do a variety of different things. One, I could upload media. If I already had video and I just wanted to upload it to Yuja, it's a great storage location. It provides you with a bunch of storage so that you can have all of your videos up there. And then you could just assign them to individual classes. If you are creating the recording from scratch, you can also click Create Recording, and that's going to allow you to, it's going to open up another window that allows you to download the Yuja recording software. And if you don't have it already, I would definitely do that, download it, and that'll allow you to record a basic video to deliver to your students. We won't do that just yet, but I just want to show you some of the other features. As soon as you add content or add videos, you'll be able to edit those videos and make changes to those videos, and they'll be listed under My Media. And so you'll see some of the things that are listed here. You'll see I already have a video here that I've uploaded to Yuja, and those videos will be kind of listed here throughout from top to bottom, being the most current video up at the top. This is also a place where students can upload videos and can provide any sort of video content if you're requesting it. And so if you already had a video, you just select upload and you'd be able to upload that video. In this case, we're going to create a recording and we're going to use Yuja to do that. In this case, when I select create recording, I don't have Yuja, so I'm going to download that and install it. Should take a few seconds. Once it downloads, we'll click. And it will install. And this is just video capture software. If you've logged in through Blackboard to the video capture software, which I would suggest that you do every time, it will log you into Yuja automatically. And so the first thing you're going to see on the screen is this home screen, and it's got any video source will automatically be picked up. So in most cases, if you're on a laptop or if you have a webcam, it'll pick up that video source automatically and show it. And then on the one side, you'll have your screen, and this will actually be the laptop or desktop screen that you have. And you can make adjustments to all of this. You can turn the video source off. You can change the screen. If you have multiple screens, you can select which screen you want it to capture. And so that gives you a lot of flexibility. Up on the top, it allows you to set a title and a basic description. So in this case, if I want to do a real short video clip on gas turbine engines, which is not a small topic, but we could create a quick, starting a jet engine. We can save that file with a description, and we can also select where it goes. It'll automatically go to my media collection, so I wouldn't change that for now. If you had a specific location you wanted it to go, you could select that. On the left-hand side, you have some options. The first thing is the video camera, and if you select the drop-down, it gives you a few options as to what video cameras to use. Now, if you have a video camera on your laptop and maybe another video camera plugged in, you could select which source you want. If you had multiple sources, you could run multiple cameras. For the most part, you're probably just going to use the laptop camera or the external camera that you have. If you turn that off, that's going to get rid of the video source, and all that people are going to see is the screen and the audio. So I'm going to turn that off for now. We're going to go to the audio section. When you select the audio drop-down, again, most laptops most laptops are going to have a microphone of some sort, of some description. Probably not the best microphone, so it's not a bad idea to have an external mic that you plug into your laptop. As far as the desktop is concerned, you're most likely going to have to buy a microphone and plug it in. As soon as you plug it in, the microphone gets recognized by the computer. It's going to be shown here as a microphone source. And so if you select the drop down here, you should be able to select which mic you want to use. Once you've got that, you'll see the mic source bar on the very bottom, just describing how much of the mic it's picking up or how much of the sound it's picking up. Below that, you can select the screen. This is really valuable if you have multiple screens. You can select which screen you want the Yuja to record. And additionally, you can actually have it run live, do a live streaming. I would suggest using Zoom for live streaming, just because it creates a much easier path for students to follow and to get to. And that's described in another tutorial, so you can look at that for information on how to use Zoom. If you have kind of a continual, the same thing that you'd like to set up every single time, you can save that as a profile and you can name it whatever you'd like. And so if you'd like the video to be off, you like a certain microphone used and this particular screen selected, whatever you've selected here, you can create as your normal profile and save it. And then down the road, when you log into Yuja next time, you can select that profile and everything will be back to normal the way it was. That's basically the setup. After that, it's really simple. All you have to do is hit start recording. And once you start recording, it's going to record your screen, your microphone, your video, whatever it is that you've selected on the left-hand side. And so I've done that now so you can kind of see what's happening. And so as you walk through this, now once we start recording, we could open up PowerPoint and go to presenter view, and now everything that's on that screen, PowerPoint or whatever it is, a video of whatever source, is available for people to watch and view. It's pretty slick. If you want to take a break and you want to gather your thoughts, or if you have things you want to change, you can pause the recording, and then that'll allow you to make changes to your screen, audio, video, whatever it is. Maybe there's something you'd like to update, or maybe just a student walked up to your office and you want to pause it and answer some questions and then resume. And then once you resume, everything will take back up where you left off. Once you're done, you'll hit finish and it'll process that. And that process takes a little bit of time. It's going to process it and upload it. And you're going to see in the bottom taskbar of your computer, there's going to be a little Yuja symbol that's going to move around a little bit. And that just is basically what's going on. It's uploading it. And so I'm just going to hit save. And when I do that, it's going to upload it to the Yuja site. And it'll take a few minutes to do that. And then you'll be able to find it under My Media. Okay, so now that we've got the Yuja video created, we're just going to insert it into the class. And in order to do that, we'll just put it under the Lessons tab in this case. Go to Build Content. And if you scroll down, you'll see a specific selection for UND Yuja. It's a CIM tool. When you click on that, it's going to pop up with some media. And it takes a little bit of time to populate the window. And when it does, you're going to see a video pop up here. There it is, finally. And so you can select whatever it is, gas turbine engines or safety check. In this case, I'm going to select safety check. It's going to process the content. And now that video that we created is available to students to view. And one of the benefits of Yuja is it records, if you record your audio, your video, and your screen, students can switch between viewing your picture to viewing the PowerPoint, and they can make adjustments to volume and whatever. But also through the audio, it'll close caption all of your audio so that they can come and look at, and you know, if they misunderstood you or whatever, they can see closed captioning of what you've recorded. So it's a little bit more detailed, I guess, than Zoom in the automatic closed caption. It also automatically creates bookmarks so that they can jump to specific locations within your Yuja video.